Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link button in Canva. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your Canva browser, open your existing design, go on the left side, click on elements, and here go on the search bar and type button. Okay, go on graphics, and from here choose whatever you like. So I'm going to go with this one. Now go on the left side, click on text, and here click on add a text box. Alright, I'm gonna type a text. Now adjust it into the box. So as you can see, like this. Now click on the shape on the button, click on these three dots and click on link. Now you have to put your link over here. So I'm gonna go and put my channel link over here. So as you can see, now click on done. Okay, as you can see, so that's how you can add link and button. Now in order to see if it's working or not, just go on top right corner, click on share, click on download, click on this drop down arrow, make sure you have selected PDF, and now click on download. Alright, the file is downloaded, click on it. Okay, now as you can see, when you will click on this link, you will be redirected to your link, the one you have added in the design. So that's how you can add a link or a button in Canva. You can also experiment on your own. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.